Assalamu alaikum everyone, it is Umama Akram and you're watching Iqbal Virtual Academy. Today is our first lecture of English language. So today we are discussing something basic about the English language, about the sentence. So let's go. First of all, what is a sentence? Sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself or typically containing a subject, object and verb. For example, Ali is playing with football. So here Ali is a subject, playing is verb, and football is an object. Now, what are the types of sentences? There are four common and basic types of sentences, which are as follows: declarative, exclamatory, imperative, and interrogative sentence. First of all, what is a declarative sentence? Declarative sentences are simply statements that rely on information. It always ends with a period. For example, as the first sentence, Ali is playing with the football. So it was example of declarative sentence and it ends with a period. Now it's exclamatory sentence. So what is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence conveys a strong emotion and ends with an exclamation mark. Just like, Yahoo, I won the match. Next is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a type of sentence that gives instruction or advice and expresses a command, an order or direction or a request. Just like, you should do it. It may end with an exclamation mark or a period. Next is interrogative sentence. So what is an interrogative sentence? Let's discuss. An interrogative sentence is a type of sentence that asks a question, like what are you doing? And it ends with a question mark. Subject. So what is a subject? It's really important for a sentence because without subject, a sentence may be incomplete. So, in a sentence, who or what performs the action is called a subject. Example, Ali is playing with the football, so Ali is a subject here. Next, what is an object? A noun in the sentence over which the various action is performed is called an object. Example, Ali is playing with a football. So football is an object because on the football the various function is performed. Thanks a lot for watching our video. You're requested to please like, comment and subscribe our channel. You will get our new video of English soon. Allah Hafiz.